This is how I do package them. This is the spaghetti and this is the rice. This is how I do package them and put them in the fridge. Hello beautiful people, you are welcome back to my channel and also welcome to my kitchen today. So on this description, you already know what you're going to watch today, how to prepare yourself as a mother, as a working mother during the week, how it is. I'm going to be showing you the things I'm going to be cooking today. Actually, today is Saturday. You can see I've been busy since morning, and I just finished cooking my soup and everything. So now I want to cook spaghetti and jollof rice. I wanted to cook fried rice, but the jollof rice I'm going to be cooking it with vegetables. Okay, guys. So I want to show you how to prepare yourself if you are a working mother. You don't cook every other day. So let's get into the video, guys. So guys, today I'll show you the things I'm going to cook. I don't know if this is going. Yeah. So I'm going to be cooking jollof rice and spaghetti. And this jollof rice, I am going to be using vegetables, including the spaghettis. I'm going to be using all these vegetables for it, okay? So I want to start with by showing you the vegetables I have. This is vegetable pepper, it's the sweet pepper, and this is scotch bonnet pepper. So all these ones, the red ones, I'm going to put it together and I will blend it on this blender, including my tomatoes. So here I have my spring onions, you see, and I am also going to be cutting this one for my jollof rice and also for the spaghetti, okay? So I also have these tin tomatoes, the big tin tomatoes I will be using because I am not going to be using much fresh tomatoes. So I'm using only 2 fresh tomatoes, blend it together with all this here. And I have 3 big onions here. I love putting onions in my food. So including the one I'm going to slice together for the jollof rice. Remember, jollof rice always needs a lot of onions. So as you guys have seen here, let me cook it up. I also have my garlic and my ginger here. And I have my carrots. I'm going to be slicing them all right away. Okay. Princess Sabona. I have my Princess Sabona. I don't know what it's called in English. Princess Sabona. I don't know. I think it's green beans or something. So I have it here also. So I'm going to be slicing all these things together. And I also have my chicken and my beef and chicken for the jollof rice. So this food I'm going to be cooking, I will actually leave them I will cook it much and put them in the freezer. So it will be easier for me during the day because of my job. I work very early in the morning and I don't really have the strength when I come back. And on this jollof rice, I'm also going to be adding my eggs. I love putting eggs in jollof rice. So I'm going to be adding these 6 eggs in this jollof rice. And I also have my spices. I don't know if I've shown this. This is my grounded meat. I have cooked it already and seasoning for the spaghetti. So I have my seasonings here. I have my rosemary. I have my curry. And that is it. I also have my meat seasoner. I use this meat seasoner for my meat. Okay. And I also have this. I'm going to be using it for the jollof rice, as it's for stew and jollof rice. It's called spicy tea. Yeah, it's from Nigeria. It was brought to me from Nigeria. So I'm going to be using all this, including my salt to taste. So I'm also going to be using my crayfish. Without crayfish in the jollof rice, and that means it's not going to really taste good. You have to put crayfish. So right away I'm going to be blending this ready all these tomatoes and pepper in this place. Let me show you. I'm going to be blending it in this my blender here. So guys, let me chop them off. So I'm going to be putting this. And that's my bay leaf. I'm going to be putting my bay leaf because the jollof rice is involved. So I'm going to be putting my Maggi to taste. Cutting them up so the meat is cooking up. So the reason why, sorry guys for the noise, the reason why I cook these things once in a week, okay, and put them in the freezer is because to cut all those vegetables are not easy, so tiring, and I love my jollof rice or my fried rice or my spaghetti. I love it with vegetables, okay? So it's quite not easy cutting them off. It's a real big job. I have to cut everything. As you can see, I've already cut this one. This is already cut. My onions, the spring onions, and the beans, the green beans is already cut. So, and this is my whole lot of crayfish I'm going to be using. So I have a whole lot of it. I bought from Nigeria. They send it for me. So if you're interested, it's also for sale. That's if you're living in Germany. I have a whole lot of it, a bag of it. A bag of crayfish. So if you're interested, you can chat me up and then tell me how it's going to be sent to you. That's if you are in Germany. Okay guys, so I'm trying to cut. Today is a very good day for the family because everybody will be enjoying the food, you know. Everything in the freezer right away is finished, so I have to cook and pack them up. I'm also going to be cooking moi moi, okay? Moi moi, as you guys may call it, baked beans or what they call it, I don't know. So I'm going to be cooking moi moi also today. So I have a lot of things to do today. Yesterday I actually cooked 2 types of soup. I cooked vegetable soup and I cooked ogbolo soup, draw soup, you know. It's called ogbolo soup. So today I'm going to make the English food. I'm going to make the rice, spaghetti, and moi moi. Baked beans. Is it baking beans? So I've blended the tomatoes. So the tomatoes, I'm going to cook the tomato and the pepper that I blended. So I'm going to cook them. You can see I'm going to boil them for some minutes, allow it to dry a little bit before I make use of it. While our meat is getting ready, you can see the meat is actually getting ready, and I'm going to soon put them in the oven while I make use. So guys, this is the rice I will be cooking, and this is the spaghetti, the kind of spaghetti I will be cooking. Yeah, I like the spaghetti because although it's a little bit expensive with the normal spaghetti in the supermarket, so I'm going to be cooking 2 of it. See, I'm going to be cooking 2 of the spaghetti, 2 of the spaghetti and this rice. So I'm going to be cooking it much because it's for keeping, it's for the week, for the whole week. So I've already cut everything here. I have, this is my corn, my sweet corn. This is my carrots, and I also have all my veggies here. You see them? The green, the yellow, and the orange. So, and I have all this one here too. So guys, and already my eggs on the fire, my tomato is on the fire. As you can see, I have to bring it down, it's boiling. Sorry for that smoke. So everything is getting set. In the next 15 minutes everything is going to get set. So let me start by washing the rice. I'm going to wash the rice thoroughly and parboil it a little bit, then sieve it before I start frying my tomatoes. Okay, that's how I do my own. I parboil the rice a little bit, then keep it, and then put the pot on the fire. When I put the pot in the fire, I put my, I can't forget this, my butter. Excuse me, pepper. Then I put my butter, and then I fry all my vegetables. So while I'm frying it along, I'm going to be showing you, but not everything, how I'm going to be doing it, because of those people that don't know how to cook, maybe the men that wants to learn how to cook jollof rice, vegetable jollof rice, you know. So, and also vegetable spaghetti. So guys, let me wash out the rice and let's continue the video. So guys, my pot is ready to fry. So I'm going to be using my olive oil as usual. That is what I use. Waiting for the oil to be hot. Not quite. Still have a little bit water here, but the down is already dry because I'm actually using the smaller part of the cooker. So that's it. As you guys know, I'll be using it for two. I'll be using the green beans for two, so I just have to use half of it. I put the green beans first, and I'll fry it for a very maybe 2-3 minutes before I add my half carrots on it. I'll fry this for 2 minutes. It's 2 minutes now, so I have to put half of the carrots again, and I'll fry it for another. See the spaghetti. This is the spaghetti. And the tomatoes is ready. So the spaghetti is ready to eat. Wow, guys. Let's see. So, mommy. So it's 2 pots here, and this is the rice. It's getting ready. The rice is in the fire. You can see this is, and this is the other pot of the rice. So guys, the jollof rice is ready. As you can see, wow, this looks delicious. So this food now is for the whole week because we are not much in the house. So the jollof rice is 2 pots, jollof rice vegetable, and this is the spaghetti. Also, they have eaten some from it. It's a full big pot. You can see how big the pots are. So guys, this will be the end of the video right now, the end of the vlog, and I hope you guys all stay safe, and I hope you like this video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumb up and share, so that some for us that are working will be able to organize ourselves during the week. Even if you don't work, you can also still do it. If you're a mom with, a lot of kids around, can do that once in a while when your man will be in the house to take care of the children, and then you can do the cooking. So guys, thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. Ciao ciao.